You're not getting more sales, dates, or influence, not because of your offer, but because people don't see you as one of them. The second you fix that, they start saying yes.
You will say yes.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Here's the twist. You don't need better arguments. You need better connection. People don't choose based on logic. They choose based on belonging. What if I told you that one psychological trigger used by cults, brands, and even political campaigns could change how people respond to you forever? If you ever felt ignored, rejected, or like your message isn't landing, it's not your fault. I've been there. I've pitched ideas that went nowhere. But once I understood the psychology of unity, people stopped resisting. This video shows you how. Here's the plan. 1. Why humans are wired to say yes to people like them. 2. The IKEA Effect and why effort builds unity. 3. The advertising trick that builds instant loyalty. 4. The Ben Franklin persuasion play. 5. How you can apply this to boost sales, deepen relationships, and lead like a pro. And I'll show you how to use this without being sketchy or manipulative. Let's get into it. Let's start with a quote from Isaac Asimov. All things being equal, you root for your own sex, your own culture, your own locality. And what you want to prove is that you are better than the other person. Whoever you root for represents you. And when they win, you win. That's unity. When people see you as representing them, they win when you win. Think about that. When people see you as representing them, they win when you win. It bypasses logic and taps directly into Daniel Kahneman System 1 thinking. Fast, emotional, automatic decisions. System 2, the rational part, it's slow, lazy, and mostly used to justify what System 1 already decided. So if you want someone to say yes, start by making their brain feel like you're already part of their group. Let's discuss unity in action. Think about this. Why do political campaigns say we, our community, and we're in this together? Because when you use shared language, you build shared identity. And that changes everything. It's why people trust Apple more than a no-name tech brand. It's why Nike ads don't sell shoes, they sell identity. They don't say buy this, they say you're the kind of person who doesn't quit. Unity equals belonging. Now, let me introduce you to the IKEA Effect. This is going to blow your mind. We value things more when we put effort into them, even if it's objectively worse. It's called the IKEA Effect. People love their crooked, self-assembled shelves more than a perfect one from the store, because effort equals ownership, and ownership creates unity. So how do you use this? Simple. Get your audience, team, or customer involved. Let them co-create, contribute, give feedback. They won't just like the result, they'll defend it. Have you ever heard of the Ben Franklin effect? This quote from Ben Franklin flips everything. We all admire the wisdom of those who have come to us for advice. Translation: if you ask someone for a favor or advice, they're more likely to like you. It's counterintuitive, right? You'd think doing favors builds loyalty, but asking for a favor? It builds unity. Because people see themselves in you. And the moment they help you, their brain rewires the story. If I helped them, we must be on the same side. Let's bring it home. Here are 3 ways to apply unity right now. First, use we language. Talk like you're already on their team. For example, we've all been there. Let's solve this. People like us don't quit. Second, highlight shared struggles. Whether it's customers, employees, or followers, show them that you've been where they are. Not just the result, the struggle. That's where unity begins. Third, involve them. In marketing, let them vote on product features. In leadership, ask for input and then act on it. In relationships, ask for help and share vulnerability. The more they invest, the more they belong. Now, imagine using unity in sales, dating, negotiations, or social media. People don't buy from experts, they buy from people they relate to. That's your edge. Remember that quote? Whoever you root for represents you. People don't root for the smartest, they root for themselves. Be the person who represents them, and they'll root for you. That's how you get the yes. Not by pushing harder, but by standing beside them. My name is Stephen Kofer. Thanks for stopping by. This channel is for anyone ready to take ownership of their future. You don't need to have it all figured out, you just need the willingness to start. And I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. So, here's what you learned today. People say yes to those they see as part of their group. Unity triggers System 1 thinking and builds deep trust. You can use IKEA Effect and Ben Franklin Effect to bond faster. Small tweaks in language, involvement, and story can 10x your influence. If this helped you, like this video. And hey, if you're still here, you're a true supporter of our community and I thank you. Do me a favor and drop a comment with the word unity. And hit that subscribe button to build success, faster and smarter. Share this with someone who needs more yes in their life and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. Now, watch this next video on reciprocity and how it secretly drives loyalty. I'll see you over there.